Hi, we are Boxconn and we connect third-party logistics services with businesses who need them. So let's say a business owner receives a phone call or an order from their website. They log into the Boxconn dashboard to place this order. Now here they have an overview of all their deliveries. They can go ahead to place a new order. They select the pickup and drop-off points of the customer. They also choose which carrier type they prefer. And then they can confirm the delivery. They can enter further information about the product purchased and the pickup and drop-off contact. They input the item fee and choose their preferred payment method. Now, once the delivery is confirmed, they can monitor all their deliveries while the recipient receives an SMS link to track their own delivery. Logistics partners also receive instructions via a mobile application and deliver the items promptly. We empower local businesses to deliver on demand.